Welcome, Cookmasters. Today we're diving into the art of bread baking. From shaping to scoring, learn how to create bread that's not only delicious but visually stunning. Shaping is more than just an aesthetic choice, it impacts texture and appearance. Whether you're making a boule, baguette or loaf, your shape will define your bread's character. A well-shaped dough rises beautifully and bakes evenly. Scoring your bread isn't just about decoration. It allows the dough to expand perfectly in the oven. Master the technique with a sharp tool like a lame or knife to create eye-catching patterns. Ensure symmetry and precision for a perfect score every time. A crispy golden crust is the hallmark of great bread. Understanding the Maillard reaction and steam techniques can help you achieve that perfect crunch. Preheat your oven, create steam, and watch your crust develop into a stunning golden hue. Proofing is essential to developing both flavor and texture. Whether proofing at room temperature or in the fridge, timing and environment make all the difference. The longer you proof, within reason, the more complex and flavorful your bread becomes. Presentation elevates your bread from simple to show-stopping. Plating matters. Use props like herbs, grains and boards to make your bread shine. Natural light and creative angles can take your bread photos to the next level. Ready to bake your own show-stopping bread? Give these techniques a try and let us know your favorite part of the process. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more baking tips and tricks. Subscribe for more delicious bread baking tutorials from Cookmaster Tips. Cookmastertips.com, kitchenmasteryrecipes.com.